Hi, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk-around. This is the 2016, the Ford F-150. Stock number is 7521. Show you this pickup up close and personal on a virtual video walk-around as opposed to looking at static photos. As you can see, this is the FX4 off-road package. Making our way around to the rear. Tow package included, of course. I do like this color of black. Super good looking pickup. Does have the power rear slider. Ample legroom with leather interior, as you can see. Nice side steps to get up in, easy access. It's got one gigantic moonroof, of course, up top. Power seats, leather seats, fully loaded. Low miles. And ease of access to all the controls within arm's length up front. For more information on this truck or any others in our inventory, it's quite big. Give us a call, email us, text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.